welcome back. Y'all wanted to know how I did my makeup look yesterday, and so I'm gonna show y'all how. For my birthday, which was a couple days ago, I asked my mom to get me the makeup from Euphoria, like the glitter, so I've been fucking around with that. So what I started off with though is, where's my phone going off? I already took my mess. Let's see. I also need to put on primer. Okay, so I started off with, I think it's called the Moroccan Spice palette by Fenty, and I used this color right over here. It's called Come and Get It, Come and Get It, I don't know how to fuck say it, and oh god. Okay, there we go. And to start this off, I like created a wing with the eyeshadow. Okay, so now that I have that done, what I did, this will make it a lot easier actually. Okay, so I use the same brush that I use to do the like wing, because it's like I'm able to be precise with it. Come on. Come on. I believe in you. There we go. And I use this color because it's very similar to the actual color of the glitter to begin with. So I got two different colors. This one's just like straight glitter. It's called, I think, Adult Movie. Yeah, Adult Film. And then I also got this color, which is the one I used yesterday and I'm going to use again today. It's called Mulholland. And it's like kind of rose gold. And that's why I use like kind of like a darkish brown color. So because I have like this color glitter, like that was the deciding factor of the eyeshadow I used and everything. But if you don't have $30 to drop on glitter, or maybe you do, you know, maybe you got that stimulus money, then go for it. I also have these ones that I got from ColourPop that I could do the same exact thing with. And they were like $8 each probably. So, and the other thing is, like, if you wanted to just do like this same look but with this glitter, you could do whatever color eyeshadow you want, you know? Limitless possibilities. So, next. There we go. Let's put some on the tip. It's not, I'm not gonna lie to you, not exactly the easiest, like, it's like substance to work with. You have to be kind of precise. You gotta go over it, like, you wanna get like a good amount of coverage, but a little goes a long way. You know, a year ago, if you had told me I'd be wearing this much glitter, I would have told you that you're fucking lying. God, I love it so much now. Say the actual brand. It's Lemonhead, Los Angeles. As I said before, it's the makeup that they used in Euphoria for all the, you know, the show that really changed the makeup game. I feel like I just did this, but I can't remember, so whatever. Okay. And I'm going to use Superfan by Smashbox. I did my foundation and contour for this because my computer is barely hanging on, to be quite honest, and if it's like, if I make a video that's too long, it's like sorry, like we don't have enough memory to like save this. We can't upload it to YouTube. It's a whole thing. That's what happened like a couple weeks ago. I made a whole ass video of me like doing my makeup like a clown and talking about vulnerability, and then they were like, no, 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 not sharing that with the world today. Okay, but what I haven't done yet is okay, Google, skip this song. So I'm gonna leave it at this because I feel like if I try to put any more on, I'm gonna fuck it up. Let me just say that, like I said before, if you had like just a straight like glitter one, you'd be able to use it pretty much like any color you wanted to as like an accent. But also, if you just wanted to, like you could use this to like completely do a wing. You can use, there's a lot you can do with it. I used a color similar to it just because, you know, that's what I was feeling, but this is like what it looks like on its own. So you don't really need eyeshadow there if you don't want it. Definitely worth the investment. Like, I think I'm gonna have this forever. There's so much of it. It's great quality, get coverage, it's fucking pretty. Maybe I'll make a video like next week trying to do this with the ColourPop ones, just to see like what the difference is. But camera. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it.